course. Pero matayo lang sila dun sa opensa nila eh, no?
Yun na nga eh.
Okay. Why?
Still.
Why are you slowing things down
They
again?
still are
Why are you
slowing
slowing things down? Why?
Wow. Are they really gonna take the record for one of the lowest outputs in this quarter this season?
Libre na yan. Navarro. A minute and a half remaining. Halos hindi gumalaw ang score natin dito sa fourth quarter.
Halos talaga. Marikina with 5 points in this quarter. Basilan with just 2 points.
And Jimboy Pastoran saves the day.
He has been the brightest spot for Basilan sa laro na to.
In Quezon City, Caloocan, lowest output this season. Meron ng record dati yung Cebu eh. Like a few seasons ago, early in our MPB.
You seem to hate to remember that.
Yeah. Pastoran. Kung gaano man naman ang minamadali ni Jimboy na makashoot. Ito naman gustong i-delay ng Marikina na makashoot sila. Ano ba naman to? Escoto.
I think that's the first time they took a shot with still more than 12 seconds on their shot clock.
Hey, don't look at me. Look at each other.
Yeah.
Timaho. Okay na ba yun? Okay na. Okay na. Okay na.
Okay na.
Basilan with a big win against Marikina. They extend their winning streak. They move up to 17-11 for the season. And the logjam, hindi na naman tayo nakahanap na clarity dito sa ating team standings because Basilan winning this one.
In fact, gugulo pa nga lalo dahil tied na ang Zamboanga, Jensan, Binyan.